This video tutorial I will explain what is Kafka topic. Here you can see the Kafka server which will be listening on a particular IP address and port number, and it has multiple topics. Topic is a Kafka component where producers are connected. Here you can see for this particular topic there are two producers are connected, and producers generate messages and publish messages to Kafka topic, and topics in Kafka is multi-subscribers, which means the messages in this particular topic can be consumed by multiple consumers. Here you can see consumer 1, consumer 2, consumer 3. These three consumers are subscribed to this particular topic, and these three consumers can consume messages from this particular topic which was produced by these producers. The topic can be considered as a logical entity because each topic will have multiple partitions, and whatever messages published by the producer will be saved in these partitions. Here you can see the Kafka cluster. It has three nodes: node 1, node 2, node 3, and in each node Kafka server is running. And in Kafka cluster, each topic present in every cluster node. Suppose topic 1 present in node 1, then that will be present in node 2 as well as node 3 also.
You can get Java source code link for each video from the description section of the video. And here you can see the video, and to see the description click on this more, and here you can see the description, and here you can see the links, and click on these links to get the Java source code.